واش نەبێ کێشە نییە هەوادارم ئێوە لەم ئێڤەنتەوە خەڵکی تر ئاگادار کەمە بۆی سەبمشنی زیاترمان بۆ بنێرن. چیرۆکەکە ناوی سیگەرێتە و ئەوەی کە بیخوێنێتەوە تقریبا تێگات لەوەی کە من بابیرم زۆر جگەرە کێش بوو، زۆر حەزی لە جگەرە بوو و لەبەرەوەی کە حەزی لێ بوو بەوەیەکێک لە شێوازی ئەشکەنجەکانی ئەوە بوو کە نەیانەهێش جگەرە بکێشێ. فهەر بەو ناوەوەیە لەبەرەوەی لە ڕێگەی جگەرەکەشەوە بۆمان دەرەکەوێت کە هاوڕەکانی خیانەتیان نەکرد و ناویان ناو بەدەستەوە. من بیدایەکەی ئەخوێنمەوە کە لە ئەشکەنجەکەەوە دەست پێکە خۆی ڕاستی من حەز ناکەم ئەم چیرۆکە بەسەر کەسێکم بسە بێنم چکە چیرۆکێکی زۆر خەفەتاویە، بەڵام میواندارم چیژی وەرگرن. The cold cement called to me. I wish I wasn't hovering over it. I was frustrated, just imagining the relief I would feel from landing my feet on the ground. Surely the cold shock would stop the bleeding. At the very least, it would distract me from the pain. Drop, drop, I watched as my blood hardened and froze moments after hitting the floor. Tiny pricks numbed my arms. Being numbed kept them warm despite the draft that kept swooshing in from the door that they deliberately left ajar. I tried to know what was out there, but my neck stopped holding my head up a while back, maybe around the 9th or 10th round. I was not sure. The man, this reptile, looked at me from under his eyebrows. I strained to stare him down, watching as his head writhed from side to side on its own accord. But it could be the spine of mine that was failing my sight. He had these small darting eyes that made me feel more constrained than the ropes around my wrist. His movements were slow and deliberate, yet weightless, undetectable if I closed my eyes. He was non-existent if I closed it, but my eyelids felt too foreign to me. I heard giggling, my daughter, my friends, and my brothers, and that smell. It smells like the meat I grilled for my brothers that day. It overpowered the pungent smell of blood and urine in the room. The odd smell started intermingling with the smell of sulfur. That's where the match sound came from. He had lit a cigarette. I gaped at it wistfully. I couldn't stop my tongue from slithering across my lips. Sharp edges of dried skin stabbed against it. He turned his head ever so slightly to the side, mocking me. The smell of burnt flesh was getting stronger. The creature started to cackle then, his voice echoing in the halls. I must have been screaming because my throat was harrowing in pain. A heavy wave of dust covered my vision.